My name is Ammar Sawaf. I'm a physio-acupuncturist and manipulative therapist. In around 3 minutes, you will see some of the testimonials of my patients. They were kind enough to talk about their condition, how many sessions they had, and what improvement they had. CT Clinic was founded in 2006. Since then, we've been treating successfully back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, headache, migraines, depression, anxiety, stress, insomnia, infidelities. But in this video, I'm going to concentrate on the pain management. Since my graduations, I was very interested in treating pain. I was obsessed, and I'm still very obsessed with pain. It drives me mad when patients don't get better or getting 100% improvements. So I used to read and research until I developed my own way of looking at different ways of looking at pain. So now I break down any muscular or a nerve pain into a very small area in the tightness of a soft tissue. This soft tissue, it could be the source of a very severe pain, or could be the source of pain which it might last 10-15 years, and even if you are taking 10-15 painkillers a day, or even if you tried other treatments on it. And we see how there is a good percentage of a failure of a disc, shoulder, knee operation. Here, I'm not suggesting at any point that the surgeon or the GPs are wrong at all. Rather, because there isn't enough studies around the tightness of the soft tissue, it could be the source of the pain, it's not recognized yet. So that's why there is this failure of the operations. So what do we do here in CT Clinic? Why are we different? It's just a very simple. We don't give you a sheet full of exercises and stretches. We ask you to do it at home because you already could do that through the internet. We don't stick some machines and walk off. We rather use 10 machines. These are our 10 machines. Each therapist in this clinic has 10 machines. You know, some of my patients might think this is made of irons. We use these machines to manipulate, stimulate your soft tissue to release that tightness, which improve the pain significantly. We always aim for 100%. One of the first testimonials you're gonna see of a lady, for 2.5 years she was unable to walk, and now she successfully could walk after only 8 or 9 sessions. I'm gonna leave you with the testimonials, but if you wanna read more testimonials, you could visit in my Facebook, which is Ammar CT Clinic, or my website, which is www.ctclinic.uk. Thank you very much.
أنا بشكر السيد عمار. أنا صار لي 2.5 سنين بروح على HNS. طبعا ما استفدت شيء، معي وجع ظهر كثير فظيع كان، ما كنت أقدر أعمل أي شيء. رحت عن كذا مرة إمرجنسي، طبعا ما في أي شيء، مجرد يعطوني إبر مورفين مسكن ورجعوني لنفس البيت. كمان عملت 3 إبر بظهري، ما استفدت أي شيء منهم، ما عملوا لي أي شيء. و2.5 أنا طبعا لا عم بقدر بمشي مثل الناس، ما عم بعمل أي شيء بالبيت، دائما السطحة ولا أي شيء. وهلا بفضل رب العالمين بفضله الحمد لله صرت أقدر أمشي نوعا ما، عم بعمل شغلات بالبيت الحمد لله. في تحسن بقدر بقول 90% أو 100% حاليا. عم بقدر بمشي. طبعا أول ما كان فيني أمشي غير مساعدة، وأكثر من خطوتين ما بقدر. هلا الحمد لله عم بمشي. برجع بتشكر السيد عمار على الموضوع.
Hi, I'm Liam. I'm one of Ammar's clients. Been seeing him now for a year. First came to see him when I had a shoulder injury. It was very sore, as you can see. I lift weights and my body build up. After the significant amount of time training over 10 years. Come see Ammar, I was recommended off a friend. Had a really sore shoulder, loads of pains. Ammar got in there, dealt with it after about 4 to 5 sessions. I'm back moving again, lifting heavy weights. Just like to thank him for that. And recommend him to anyone. At the minute, he's looking after me with a knee injury. After one session, which was last week, he's starting to get on the way better already. Not sore and walking down the stairs in the morning. He's getting more flexible. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mark. I came to see Ammar about 3 years ago for a back pain, which unfortunately self-inflicted back pain, but nevertheless, when I came to see Ammar from a recommendation, he instantly spotted another injury which I'd completely forgotten about because it was 5 years old. I'd been told it couldn't be fixed, I had to live with it. It was a shoulder injury. He spotted it without me mentioning it, and he said, "Can I please try and treat it?" Which he did successfully, very, very quickly, and I've never had any issues with it ever since. I've continued to see Ammar over the last 3 years just to maintain my back issue, which he's done fantastically. I've recommended several people to him with different injuries, and he's managed to treat all of them successfully in a really quick and effective period.
I've suffered with back pain for around 7 years now, since having my 2 children. It's stopped me from exercising, it's stopped me from working where I work as a midwife, so it's a very demanding job. It's affected my whole life in every aspect. I've been to see physios over the years and they've helped temporarily, but nothing that's really made much of a difference. I was recommended to come to see Ammar by a friend who said that he would really help me, and she couldn't recommend him enough, basically. So I made an appointment and I came and had a consultation, which was very thorough. He was very approachable, very caring, and understood what I was saying and just genuinely really wanted to help. So after the consultation, we had my first appointment, which was brilliant. He was very professional and is obviously an expert in his area. I've seen a massive difference just from the first appointment. The pain was gone completely after just one session. I have continued to see Ammar, which has just changed my life, and I am now completely pain-free and would recommend him to anybody.